1. Reveal to yourself that numerous young ladies are likewise modest around young men. One approach to set yourself up for conversing with young ladies is to recall that all things considered, the young ladies are similarly as frightened about conversing with you as you are tied in with conversing with them. They may seem as though they have everything made sense of and may act like they are not bashful or apprehensive at all, yet within, numerous young ladies are anxious about conversing with young men as well. In case you're increasingly mindful of the way that each young lady or fellow is timid about conversing with individuals somewhat, at that point you'll be less unsure about conversing with young ladies. While you're stressed over thinking of a comment straight away or considering how you fell off after your last remark, almost certainly, the young lady you're conversing with is pondering something very similar about herself. Rather than being so stressed over sounding keen, entertaining, or intriguing, take a shot at causing the young lady you're conversing with to feel good. Almost certainly, she has indistinguishable stresses from you do, and in the event that you center around making her agreeable, at that point you won't be so stressed over yourself. 2. Simply imagine that you're conversing with one of your companions. Of course, conversing with the adorable young lady in your evaluation may appear to be totally unique in relation to visiting it up with your closest companion. However, in the event that you quit being so stressed over everything being great, you'll see that it's truly not all that extraordinary. You'll need to think of things to discuss, making the other individual snicker, talk about something intriguing you did throughout the end of the week, etc. When you unwind and quit attempting to sound so noteworthy, you'll have the option to fall into a characteristic pace of discussion, similarly as you would with a dear companion. Alright, so you and your closest companions may have some inside jokes or an amusing method for talking that may befuddle another young lady you converse with. Be that as it may, you can at present discussion about a portion of very similar things and adopt a comparable strategy, chipping away at having an intriguing discussion as opposed to stressing over not having anything to discuss. Recollect that, in any event, when you converse with one of your companions, you may come up short on things to discuss or rehash yourself or discover your words now and again. It's no biggie if that happens when you're conversing with a young lady, either. 3. Try not to stress over saying the ideal thing. Folks who are timid about conversing with young ladies will in general romanticize the circumstance and imagine that, when they converse with an adorable young lady, they need to state something completely great or astounding to prevail upon her, and afterward you two can stroll off into the nightfall together. In all actuality, in the event that you tell the young lady you like her shirt or discussion about the Drake show you just went to, you'll be superbly fine. Rather than looking for the ideal manner of expression, simply take a shot at saying something to prop the discussion up. In the event that you're also hung up on each word you state, at that point you'll be substantially more prone to slip by into quietness or to unearth your words. Simply continue talking and don't overthink it, and you'll be considerably more great than if you state nothing for 5 minutes and afterward make the ideal quip. What's up? Success Animation here. There is one forward question you should completely never inquire as to whether you need her to be your girlfriend or wife. Or then again anything past only an hookup who you never get notification from again. Do you recognize what the inquiry is? As a guy it will probably sound completely innocent to you. In any case, I can disclose to you that when women hear this inquiry it takes all of the wind out of their romantic sails. Regardless of about how they feel about a man before he asks it. What's more, on the off chance that you have ever had a woman pull away from you when you didn't need anything more on the planet than to have her draw you closer, it's most likely on the grounds that you posed this inquiry without knowing it. In fact, you probably thought asking this question was a good thing even though you couldn't be more wrong. Once more, do you recognize what the inquiry is? Let me give you a clue. The question is blank you blank me. Can you fill in the blanks? I have asked a lot of guys if they know what the question is, and only 3 guys out of every 100 get it right. Along these lines, do you comprehend what the inquiry is? If you are absolutely sure you are right, then we have nothing else to say to each other. But if you don't know the answer, or if you just want to confirm that you do, I need you to stop whatever you are doing and go watch the special video I have assembled for you at the link you see on your screen now. See, this video is by Joshua Pelliser, one of the biggest experts when it comes to seducing women. And in the special video you will watch when you click the link you see on your screen, he will show you what this toxic forward question is. He will teach you the shocking and strange truth about female psychology and why women pull away, and introduce you to a simple 3-word phrase that forces a woman to automatically open her heart, let down her shields and commit to love you, and even worshipping you while thinking it's 100% her idea. And all you have to do is click the link and go watch the video right now, before the curiosity drives you mad. Before you find yourself in bed tonight wondering what you missed. Because I can only help you if you decide to help yourself by clicking the link on your screen and watching this special video right now.